Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a look at 1966, the newest offering from Rex Supply Company. So, as many of you may or may not know, Rex Supply Co. is a sister company of Razor Emporium. It's kind of the place where we get to have a different outlet, a different mark on the industry. It was founded many years ago and has mostly done hardware, but recently we've gotten more into software with some of these offerings of soap. This is now the second soap offering from Rex. First being 1955 that came out last fall, has been a smashing hit. It's one of the most popular soaps we now make in-house. 1966 has now just been released, so this is kind of a part two. Same formula, has that old world tallow as we're calling it. It just means that the base of the soap involves animal fat, specifically beef fat. So that, for some people, is music to their ears. You know, they remember maybe older soap like Tabac or Mitchell's Wool Fat or others on the market that have used animal fats over the years to kind of help give some of that cushion and glide and feel. And so we're bringing that kind of old world quality back with the Rex line. And that also differentiates it from the Razor Emporium soap, which is all vegan soap. For 1966, we're kind of throwing the time machine on and going back in time. There was there's a lot of soaps happening, obviously, in the 60s and popular men's fragrances and stuff. There was a product from Aramis that had a top note of bergamot. There's also a product from Brut that had kind of a woodsy and citrus kind of element to it. So we kind of grabbed some of those as inspiration and threw together this. This has three major notes you're going to smell. Top note definitely is going to be tangerine, and then the other two notes you're going to smell are more the bergamot and then the kind of woodsy sandalwood. So we thought the packaging should really reflect that, especially that burst of tangerine. And it's also, at the time of the release, it's summertime here in Arizona, so I guess I got orange and yellow on my mind. So, and to me, that just screams the 60s with this color and the font and just the way that our artist has thrown this together. So I really like the packaging on this. We're also really excited that for the first time with a release, we have all the other products associated with it. Usually we've, kind of spaced them out, but we had everything together, all of our ducks in a row. To have the Splash at the same time being released now. So it's that the same notes, and this is our alcohol and witch hazel based Splash. It also has rose extract, alum, glycerin. It's a really nice splash. Throw that on for the real old school kind of feel. And then also the matching balm. So we're really excited to have that as well. A lot of people don't do balms, but it's a beautiful, wonderful lotion on your face. It's going to make you feel great. Same notes on this as well. So, but yeah, I just, really have been enjoying this. I've been using it at home a lot. We just did a shave with it a few minutes ago, and I am loving 1966. Rex for me has this mid-century kind of modern feel to it. It's all about revisiting the excellence of the past, successes and popular things of Americana from the middle of the century, I think, are just so iconic, especially in the world of men's grooming. So we're revisiting that with Rex, which is kind of what it stands for, and going back in time. So if you haven't already done so, turn on the time machine, go back to 1966 and experience the way shaving used to be. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.